Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be connecting MailChimp to WordPress. And if you'd like to follow along, go over to InstaWP.io to launch your own disposable WordPress environment free of charge. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is install the MailChimp plugin. So hover over plugins on the left, then click add new. In the search box, type MailChimp. Click install now next to the first result. And once it's done, click activate. Okay, so we have installed the MailChimp plugin, but we need to go ahead and connect it to our MailChimp account. So go over to MC4WP on the left, click it. And here in the API key field, we would need to paste the API key from our MailChimp account. So go over to MailChimp. And by the way, you would need a MailChimp account to follow these next steps. A free account is fine. So let's get the API keys. At the bottom left-hand corner, click your avatar. Mine's just a J. Now you want to click on Account in this menu. Now click Extras at the top of the page and click API Keys. Let's scroll down. So it says that we don't have any active API keys. Let's create one by clicking this button. All right, so a key was created. Let's scroll back down and copy the key. Let's go back to WordPress and paste it in the API key field. Okay, so once you're done, click the Save Changes button right under. All right, so our website is connected. And at the bottom, it says that one list was found in my MailChimp account. So you can always create your own MailChimp lists. Now let's go ahead and create a form. So on the left, click Form right under MailChimp. Okay, so now I need to enter a form name. So this could be anything. It could be the name of your campaign, but I'm just gonna enter sign up. Okay, next, to which MailChimp lists should this form subscribe? I'm gonna use the only one that I have, but you can have multiple lists and you'll be able to choose from these lists right here. And I'm just gonna click add new form since I'm happy with this one. Okay, so this is where we customize the form fields. So by default, we have email address, and you can add more fields by selecting from the list above. So for example, if you wanted to add a birthday field, you could click birthday here, or let's say you wanted to add a first name, you can click first name. Now you have the option to change the label or add a placeholder or an initial value. Let's make this field required, then click add to form. Now our form has two fields. We have first name and email address. And this only looks this way because of our theme. So basically this is pulling the styling from our theme. Now you can always add more fields if you want, but I'm happy with this. So let's go over to messages. Now this is where you can configure the messages that will be displayed under the conditions listed on the left. And you can also configure settings at the top. So you can go through these settings to see what you'd like to change. Under appearance, you can choose your form style. So I'm going to change this to basic, for example. And you can also click their link to try their styles builder. So at the top, we have a shortcode that we can use to display our form in a location of our choice. So since I'm done configuring everything, I'm going to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now let's make sure our integration works. I'm going to add this form to a post to test it. So I'm going to go over to posts on the left and select the Hello World post. Let's close this. Now I'm going to click the plus icon at the top to add a new block. I'm going to type MailChimp to add the MailChimp block. Now you would need to use this drop down menu to select your form. So since I only have one form, one will be displayed. It's the sign up form. Let's preview it in a new tab. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm going to enter a name. Right now I feel like a John Doe. And yeah, I cannot be showing my email address. And once you're done, you should see this page and you would need to complete a CAPTCHA challenge. So click I am not a robot and subscribe. Wait. Yeah, you'd need to actually complete this challenge first. It says select all images with boats. I'm not sure why it's so slow. Once you're done, click verify. It's really slow. Now click subscribe. Okay, so now you need to go over to your email inbox to click a link to subscribe to this mailing list. And once you've done this, you should see your email address in your audience. And mine is right here, despite the blur. Okay, so now you know how to go ahead and connect your MailChimp to WordPress. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.